Ever wondered how top websites dominate search results? It's not just great content, it's the power of backlinks. Today, we're revealing the secrets of backlinking to supercharge your SEO and skyrocket your rankings. Imagine your website ranking #1 on Google, attracting floods of visitors daily. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's time to turn that dream into reality. Stay tuned as we uncover the ultimate backlinking strategies that the pros don't want you to know. So, what exactly are backlinks? Simply put, backlinks are links from one website to another. They act as votes of confidence, signaling to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. But not all backlinks are created equal. Quality matters more than quantity. A single link from a reputable site can be more impactful than dozens from low-quality sources. Why are backlinks so crucial for SEO? They help search engines determine the authority and relevance of your site. More high-quality backlinks mean higher rankings, more organic traffic, and better visibility. Think of backlinks as votes in a popularity contest. The more credible votes you have, the more likely you are to win the top spot. Let's explore the types of backlinks. There are 3 main categories: natural, manual, and self-created. Natural backlinks are earned organically when other sites link to your content. Manual backlinks are acquired through outreach, like guest posts. Self-created backlinks come from blog comments, forum signatures, or online directories. Now, let's dive into the strategies to earn high-quality backlinks. First, create exceptional content that others want to link to. Whether it's a comprehensive guide, an insightful blog post, or an engaging infographic, valuable content attracts backlinks. Next, consider guest blogging. By contributing high-quality articles to reputable sites in your niche, you can earn valuable backlinks and reach a wider audience. Building relationships with influencers and bloggers in your industry is key. Engage with their content, share insights, and offer collaborations. Strong relationships lead to natural backlink opportunities. Resource pages are goldmines for backlinks. Reach out to webmasters of relevant resource pages and suggest your high-quality content as a valuable addition. Lastly, try broken link building. Identify broken links on reputable sites and offer your content as a replacement. This helps webmasters fix their links while earning you a valuable backlink. Leverage SEO tools like Ahrefs, SEMrush, and Moz to identify backlink opportunities, analyze your competitors' backlinks, and monitor your backlink profile. These tools provide invaluable insights to optimize your backlinking strategy. Avoid common mistakes like buying backlinks, using spammy techniques, or focusing solely on quantity over quality. These can harm your SEO efforts and lead to penalties from search engines. By implementing these backlinking strategies, you're on your way to improving your SEO and climbing the search engine rankings. Remember, it's all about quality, relevance, and consistency. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends. Don't forget to click the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tips and strategies. Leave a comment below and let us know your favorite backlinking strategy. Thanks for watching, and happy backlinking!